둘, 셋, 안녕하세요, 방탄소년단입니다.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video of Learn Korean with BTS. Okay, let's get it! And at the back, you can see the list of items that is included in this package. I'll be going through them one by one later. Let's open it. I actually purchased mine via Weverse and it cost around 88,000 Korean won.
Wow!
This is a Korean paper called Hanji, and I love how they incorporated this detail because it feels so Korean right now. And as you can see, it comes with these 4 books with different difficulty levels, and they have different color and landscape illustration as their cover. This one is so new. This one is the Jumunjin Beach bus stop from their You Never Walk Alone album cover, Jeju-do, and Cheongsongdae in Gyeongju. Now we can see this study note, which I don't think I'll be able to write on it. It looks so precious. And this only comes with the first edition. And they place the QR code card here, and don't forget to scan it. There's also Hangul keyboard stickers included, and it comes in black and purple color. This is perfect if you want to practice your Korean typing skills. And now the long wait is over. Let's go check the pen. I'm really excited about this one. It has its own charging cable, and actually the pen reminds me of those touch read pens for kids. As you can see, it has the Learn Korean with BTS and BTS logo printed on the pen. It has some weight which makes it comfortable holding, especially for a clumsy person like me. Now let's switch it on.
둘, 셋, 안녕하세요, 방탄소년단입니다.
That's so cool. Okay, let's test this out. Let's look for book 1. Nope. Okay, I just realized I covered the censor part of the book. That's why there was no sound. The books are really colorful and fun compared to other textbooks. There's the table of contents, introduction, structure and features. I really need to stop covering the censor. And these are the characters we have to follow for the storyline. Over to the lower right of the book, you can choose 4 languages, which are English, Korean, Japanese, and Espanol.
한국어. 아, 어, 유, 여, 의, 스, 그, 츠, 즈. 지민, 오라해, 슈가.
After each chapter, you will have this short section about culture in
친구에게는
Korea.
친근하게, 우다른에게는 공손하게 인사해요.
There's a question in each chapter where you need to scan the QR code and it will lead you to a short BTS clip which you need to watch to know the answer.
방탄소년단이 무엇을 말해요?
I think having this pen will definitely help you with the proper pronunciation, as there are several sound change rules for reading Hangul and it can be confusing. You can find the model answers at the back and a vocabulary index of all the new words in each chapter. Now let's try the study note.
자신감.
아미, 여기야, 여기.
이거 쉬워요. 여러분 사랑합니다.
I think it's definitely worth getting if you're learning Korean or you just want to have an additional fun resource material to your Korean textbooks. Plus, you get to learn it with BTS. That's it for this video. Hope you had fun. Thanks for watching. 안녕.